Well, I thought I'd do a little video about Timesaver. I had some fun tonight. First I used the green hard metal compound, and the green cans on the stainless steel throttle button, I keep calling this thing. I started out with this is a kit, I should back up. This is a kit I bought, and it has the I think I got it from MSC, but it has 4 different grades, very small cans, but probably more than I'll need for a lifetime of use for the lapping these different components. Anyway, here's the stainless steel button I used the green compound for, and probably spent about 45 minutes, went from grade to grade. I used my granite surface plate here, and I used, for this one it was easy. There's a very good lapping video that Don, I think his name, from Suburban Tool did. He shows lapping using a figure 8. Well, I did that, and that was easy to do obviously with this part that I could hold. And as you can see, the center part that didn't get lapped, that has a shiny finish, the outer edge has a more gray, but I looked at it under a jeweler's loupe, and it is a very smooth finish. So I think this is what we're looking for here. It reminds me of rebuilt automobile engines before, and it reminds me of the surface finish on bearings, that when you place the little half shell bearings back, that's kind of what it reminds me of. And I'll show you. I just finished. This is the number 100 very fine of the yellow Timesaver, yellow label, and the powder is yellow as well. You can see the residue of it here on my granite surface plate. You might recall from previous videos that this surface here was a machine surface, had milling marks just like this, and then I had filed it to make it pretty smooth. This is very, very smooth. All I used on this particular piece was, because I didn't want to take off too much metal, I started with the number 80 fine grit, and you can pretty much see where the lapping was. I mixed it with mineral oil, and I just would lap. I went back and forth very carefully, and so as not to rock it or round the thing, and I went up this side as well, and it does a very nice job. It's very cool stuff. It was Marty Knox that told me about this. He's the one that built my boiler, and when I told him I was building the standard Allen throttle, he said to use the Timesaver material. What's great about it versus other grinding compounds is that it gets finer and finer. It does not embed in the metal. So whereas some silicone carbide grinding compounds or diamond grinding compounds would embed in the metal and continue to erode, this stuff, it breaks down, and that's why you get such a fine finish. So very pleased, very excited about that, and one step closer to getting the throttle put together. Thanks for watching, folks.